people say being alone is bad or staying alone is going to be trouble for us, but actually that is not true always, because being alone is actually not bad. The thought of staying alone, the thought of feeling loneliness is what makes worse than being alone. So there's a difference between these two, and I will try to give tips on how to overcome their loneliness, the feeling of loneliness, how to turn them into positives, your positives, make them your advantages, and how to make your life so happy. That's why I'm here. I'm Bhanu Chandar, the dude behind Bhanu Stuff, and I'm here today to share with you a set of video lectures in which I will be sharing my views, my thoughts on how to overcome this loneliness with some real life experiences. By the way, I'm not going to give you plain tips like go and do some meditation, yoga and all. I'll be sharing some real things which you can try actually, which make it possible to you to do that, because I know how important it is. By the way, I don't want you to like or subscribe or share. I'm not interested in that. I just want that if some of the trips are going to help you, then I would be more than happy, and that's the only motive behind making this video series. So before going to that, I'll be making the videos in small chunks, like instead of making a single video, because that would be easy for me to upload as well as to share, and it will also be easy for you to download or watch, and this will be very easy. In fact, I have noted all the points down here, and it will be difficult for me to recall, so small videos will make my life easier. So I think that is okay with you. So let us start why loneliness is not bad. So let me tell you some real life scenarios. Like if you recall the scenario of epics, Indian epics, where saints, maharshis or so-called rishis stayed. So most of them, like even including the prophets and Buddhist monks and all, so they prefer to stay alone. They prefer to go to Himalayas, Nepal, and stay in that drastic climatic conditions to stay alone. So why do you think people do that? Why do you think people detach from the other people? So like you must have predicted, that's because people generally, like these great people, usually tend to realize more about themselves when they are alone. So being alone will help us get close to ourselves, close to realize our tendencies, potencies, our internal powers, as well as help us connect with nature. There so many benefits. Even some people get connected to God, the Almighty, whoever it is. So there are several benefits out of being alone, and this is not actually bad, but the feeling that even if you are surrounded by people, you got some depressive situation because of someone kidding on you or someone joking at you, that made you sad and made you feel like you are alone, even if you are surrounded by your friends. So that actually is what we are trying to overcome. So because by understanding the benefits, the demerits, how to overcome that, so these are all what we are going to discuss. So and in this particular video I will give a snap of what I am going to cover in the upcoming videos, and the later videos we will discuss the real topics before we actually move on to see the list of topics, list of tips to overcome our loneliness feeling. So the strategy would be like this. So I would start with discussing about what makes you feel alone. So this will help you understand where you are standing, what made you feel alone, and also I will give you hints on the negatives or side effects of feeling loneliness. So this will again help you to fear a little about or move away from loneliness. And I will tell you a list of like demerits that will arise if possibly if you are always moving with a specific group, or if you are tending to always move with a bunch of people around. Some demerits that I will tell in some videos. And the benefits of loneliness. What are the benefits? Like some points I have already mentioned, very few points, but I will also detailedly mention what would be the benefits of staying alone, how we can take that positive. And I will also share my own experience how I became strong staying alone, and I will give some experience and some tips on how to be productive, what activities to try, and what would make our you know our lone life a very interesting to us, or how to turn this life into a productive task. That's what I will also cover in upcoming videos. And apart from that, I will share some things to try from your end that can be very interesting to you. And finally, I will cover the tips on how to overcome the loneliness feelings. So that's it. Stay tuned. I will try to catch up with you soon. Be happy.